Damn bugs on my pumpkin. Welcome back. Today we're going to do a very special episode and we're going to carve a pumpkin. We're going to be using power tools inside the shop here, and I have a special way to help get everything out. So the first thing we got to do is we got to cut the top open. Now you got to make sure this is a perfect circle, and then you're going to want your face. So I'm just going to have some crazy eyes over here. Yep. This is going to come out perfect. So there's my basic design. So now we're just going to cut this out with my favorite tool today, and that is my multi-tool. Now if you go on Milwaukee's website, they'll give you a list of stuff that this can do. Carving pumpkins was not on that list, but who are they to judge? So today we're going to carve this pumpkin. Next step is just rip out all the delicious innards. Now in here you'll find all your stuff that you can eat, like the seeds, and that's about it. This is one of the most important jobs. You want to make sure that this thing is 100% clean, and there we go. Nice and clean, no seeds left in there. Joking, lots. So now we're going to take our tool and work on our face. Now that I've got my face cut out, we're going to get ready for the next step. And that is pushing all these in or out, depending on how you cut it. I've designed for them to come out, but I can't really push them out very well from the inside. So I have something that's going to help me. So my idea is I'm just going to slide this in here ever so gently. And I'm just going to put the lid back on. It should just fit right back on, I think. There we go. Now, I've already been yelled at by the wife telling me do not use airbags inside the garage. You know, you put one tire through the roof, and every time you try to do another one, she tells you to go outside. So let's go put this outside and see if we can remove the eyes and the mouth. My pumpkin! What happened to my pumpkin? Didn't even knock the face out. Oh my goodness! Now I gotta start all over again. Happy Halloween, everybody.